I'm making vanilla strawberry milk. Whoa. I'm going to mix it. Wow. Guess I'm going to taste it. Wow. So hi guys, this is Cooking for Kids TV, and I'm making vanilla strawberry milk, and this is what you need: stevia, and also vanilla flavoring, and also chia seeds, milk, and strawberries. I'm going to complete it, and this is what you need. Some milk. Whoa. And chia seeds. Also flavoring. The flavoring looks cool. And also this is white. It has healthy sugar and I like it always. And now I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna put it on here and put the cover. Then I am going to mix it. And this one I'm gonna press it. Last one. Also, I'm going to taste this. Wow. Guess I'm going to taste it. Save some for you. I saw the chia seeds inside here. Wow! It tastes the same. It tastes the same when I was mixing it last night. This is the same as McDonald's, but healthy version. My healthy version. And my name is Maddox, and I'm a smoothie expert, and my brother is a cooking expert, and he cooks every day. Let me know if you're going to make this, and my brother is a cooking expert, and he cooks every day. My brother is going to taste.
Ooh. Max, can you tell me what it is? Because it smells really good.
It's strawberry milk with vanilla flavoring.
Wow, that's smart. Let me try. Really good.
It tastes the same thing as last night.
Yeah, it's really good. I also love the smoothness and the wiriness. And also, I have the best smoothie expert brother in the world. Hug. Make sure you comment down below, see if you made this, and comment down below to see if you like this, and make sure you comment, hit the bell, and subscribe, and hit the bell and subscribe, and you'll get notified in all the videos we do.
You already said hit the bell.
Oh yeah.
Hug. And also you said again. Bye. Bye, see you tomorrow.
Love you, viewers.
And also, see you tomorrow in the next video. This is what you need: stevia, and also vanilla flavoring, and also chia seeds, milk, and strawberries.